Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Cambridge School e-learning series. I am Indrajit here, your computer teacher. Today we will read chapter 3, Advanced Features of Excel. In the previous class, we have learned about different types of charts. Today we will learn about how to create a chart in Excel. Firstly, we will give values, name and marks. Here we will write some names. Okay, now we will give marks. Okay, now we will make chart. Firstly, select these and click on insert. Now you can select any type of graph. Suppose we want to make line graph. Now you can check the marks in the line graph. Here like as Raman score 56 marks. Here it is shown 56. Then Puneet score 23. It will decrease. And Karan 78. Then increase. Then Mansi score 89. Then again it is increased. Then Damini score 65. Then it will came to the less 65. Here we can make the chart. We can also make any other type of chart. You can select and delete this. After that, you can make column chart like this. Okay, I hope you all understood. Now, we will learn about sorting data. Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order. In a worksheet, data can be stored in a row on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text and numbers, or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work with. Now we will sort data. Okay. Now you can take this one, marks again. Okay. You have to sort data. You can copy these marks here. Firstly, we will sort. Go to the data tab and sort data alphabetically. It is organized as alphabetically A to Z. You can check that values also automatically changed. Damini 65, Karan 78. All is arranged into the alphabetically. Then we can arrange it to the descending. Okay. Now check it again. Okay beta. After that we will learn about filtering data. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view. You can filter a list of records that meet specific criteria by using autofilter command. You can check. Here you can check filter. Suppose you want to make it sort according to the smallest to largest numbers. It is arranged. Again, if you want to arrange it largest to smallest, again it is arranged. I hope it is clear to all. Today we have learned about three types. Firstly, how to make chart in Excel. Next, how to sort data. Then, how to filter a data. I hope you all understand this topic, and in the next class we will learn about new topics. Thanks and take care.